Hi Rosel, where are we today?
Mall.
We're at the mall and we're playing Temple Run. And
Bitch.
we're gonna watch a movie.
Snow White.
Yeah. Jared, if you were here, we'd be really delighted. Bitch. Even Paolo. Bitch. He only wants Cheyenne to be here. He? What do we do?
What did you do?
I don't know. I know, no. Something fell, lol. I'm gonna watch you play.
Sure.
You did! Oh my god. Okay, turn right. Left, I mean that. Right. Oh, you turned left.
I didn't hear you. Sorry.
Yeah.
Wala namang bayad eh. 15 minutes.
Turn right. Yeah. Yeah.
Tara na.
You turn right. Yeah, you slide. Yeah. Then jump. Then left. Yeah. Ah, you lost. My turn. Okay, you film me. I shall run. God. This is hard.
Get the coin.
Fine. Fine. I can't hear you with the sounds I'm listening to.
Oh yeah.
I always turn right because when everything goes wrong, go right. Get me?
Yes.
Now I turned left. Oh God. Slide, bitch. Boom. You know that awkward feeling when you forget that the magnet is not a invincibility, and you just whatever. Now this is an invincibility.
Grabe, ang sexy ng girl.
God, this is hard. We're going up. That's my dad. Freaking dad. Woo! It just flew. Yeah, I'm the coin magnet. Woo, blue coins. Yay! Oh my god. Oh my damn! Oh my god!
Yung
Ar-
baka
Ay.
Yung minatay
Your turn. Yay! It's already 3 minutes. What the fuck? That was a new logo, right? I don't know.
Yeah.
Freaking wallet spell.
Right?
Wait, I'm gonna fix my phone. Is it me or those dudes are like going around and around the mall for hours? I think they're looking for a girlfriend. Hey, I'm available. No, I'm joking. I have a crush. Yes, I've said it. I am not anymore abnormal. What?
Me and Jarel.
Yeah, you guys are still abnormal. And still you're my friends. Aw. Yay.
When?
I think the hardest part there is when you get two trunks.
OMG.
Oh god. It just happened. It's those things again.
And?
freaking scored. Look. And oh look. Yay! It's my turn. Hi. God, please don't fail me. Jump, bitch. Bakit dun sa isa wala siyang ants? I'm like, how? Why?
Lobster.
Seriously, lobsters on trees. On trees. Land. Lobsters. Stop zooming.
Okay.
Invincible! I think Jarl used to tell this as invisible, and I'm like, lol, bitch, it's invincible. Invincible. It's cool when you have the invincible stat. It's like you can just walk through anything, but you have to.
Just turn left, right,
Yeah.
ever.
Damn. I'm kind of choosy. Oh god! Oh, I missed it. Oh. Oh god. Why?
Yoko
Why? Yeah. We're like gonna say goodbye now because it's already 6 minutes.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye.